Hello, my name is Advay and I'm a second year student double majoring in finance and management. Today I attended a KFI Global event that was hosted by Ms. Marilyn Lydia Pinto. Overall, I really enjoyed the session as I got to know about money management techniques and how decision making is very important, and moving forward how I can apply these things into my future life. Thanks to this program, I can now apply the lessons that I've learned in this program into future, and as I grow older, I hope these lessons retain me so that I don't make any mistakes in the long run.
Hi, my name is Paloma Pereira and I take a double major in accounting and finance, bachelor's. I had the honor of taking part in the KFI Global event, and I got to learn a lot of things, the importance of money management, and it was a very fun and very interactive class, so I had so much fun. Thank you Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this.
Hi, my name is Tenda Shumba and I do Bachelor of Business, majoring in Accounting and Finance. I had the opportunity to attend the Global event, and it was really interesting, really fun. It helped me reflect on some of my life choices and how I can change for the better to at least reduce my mistakes in the future in terms of finance and build a better life for myself. I would like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this event.
Hi, my name is Samantha Mshungu. I'm a second year student at Murdoch University, Dubai. My major is finance and accounting. Today's seminar was really amazing. My take home was mainly about the pain of paying. In terms of what is easily accessible to you is what makes you spend more money. While something that's harder for you makes you spend less money. My perspective has shifted in terms of I now know how to be able to set a plan for myself and budget so that my future is brighter and better.
Hi, my name is Murdoch and I was a part of the KFI Global program. And I really enjoyed this session, and I took away because I learned how to manage my money properly, and I learned more about it in detail. Thank you.